Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A36 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here we've got this option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it, just find the specific app, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the Chrome to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, either just by tapping one by one on those switchers or simply tap on Deny All, and your device will automatically turn off all of those apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.